beginning of another journey. A true masterpiece that leaves an impression forever. The Genesis G70. Another piece that embodies the Genesis philosophy. This is a masterpiece. A harmony of dynamic, athletic elegance with a sporty feel. The large crest grille continues the Genesis heritage. The voluminous island hood parting and the gracefully connected roofline continue onto the DLO, made in the image of a hockey stick, reaching the apex of dramatic energy. The colors of the rear combi lamp are a Genesis signature, and their explosively charming appearance steals hearts. Genesis G70, the perfection of dynamic, luxurious style. True class in every way. The thrill of the perfect drive begins as soon as you get into the G70. Easy to see settings for the adjustment of your car's seating. Optimal driving mode reacts intuitively, and also convenient connectivity. The impression of fun driving is doubled. Mastercrafted diamond pattern quilted seats. Experience luxury through all of your senses. The G70's details have been designed to appeal to sight, sound, and touch. The first Genesis sports sedan offers truly unprecedented driving performance. your safety is assured, even during the best drives that transcend limits.